Today's detailers use a huge variety of polishers to accomplish a variety of paint correction and polishing jobs. These pads were specifically designed for the forced rotation polishers and are available in a wide variety of sizes. The Lake Country Force Pad line was developed to provide premium foam pad options regardless of the polisher or size polisher you're using. Patented Force pads feature our own hybrid foam technology not found in any other pads. Our innovative foams are engineered with small cells and dense, robust construction to maximize the performance, particularly when used on forced rotation polishers. Force pads also work well on standard rotary and micro polishers. The unique engineered foam results in faster correction time as more polish stays on the working surface instead of being absorbed into the foam. The unique tapered edge prevents pad rolling and allows for an easy pad rotation and precision polishing in tight areas. Our Lake Country Force Pad line also includes a 1-inch thick blue hybrid wool pad designed for heavy cutting applications on tools with a 3-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch backing plate. The center ventilated cooling channel transfers heat away from the middle of the pad, reducing temperatures and increasing the pad's durability. Lake Country Force pads are available in a wide range of sizes and thicknesses to help detailers get the job done right, no matter which style of polisher you prefer. Durable, long-lasting force pads featuring hybrid foam technology can be used for cutting, polishing, finishing, and even waxing. You can find a detailed aggression chart for the Force Pad line and more product details on our website or in our catalog. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.